Well, my eyes are good.
Welcome to another episode of Prowalk Vlog. Today visit Desenzano Street Market. Today walking in rain. Summer rain walk in Desenzano del Garda. Not too much rain, but yes, it's raining. The weekly street market in Desenzano del Garda, Italy, is held every Tuesday morning. It takes place along the lago Cesare Battisti, a beautiful lakeside promenade. The market features a wide variety of stalls offering fresh produce, local delicacies, clothing, household goods, and various other items. It's a popular event for both locals and tourists, providing an opportunity to experience the local culture, enjoy the scenic views of Lake Garda, and shop for unique items. The weekly street market in Desenzano del Garda is a vibrant and bustling event, attracting a mix of locals and tourists. Here are more details about it. 1. Timing and location. The market operates every Tuesday from around 8 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. It stretches along the lago Cesare Battisti, which is the main lakeside promenade, and often extends into the surrounding streets and piazzas. 2. Variety of goods. The market offers a wide range of products. You can find fresh fruits, vegetables, cheeses, meats, fish, and other local food products. Additionally, there are stalls selling clothing, shoes, accessories, household items, plants, and flowers. 3. Local specialties. Many stalls feature local specialties from the Lombardy region. This includes items like olive oil, wine, honey, and artisanal cheeses. It's a great opportunity to sample and purchase products directly from local producers. 4. Atmosphere. The market has a lively and friendly atmosphere. It's not just a place to shop but also a social hub where people gather, chat, and enjoy the ambience. The setting along the lakeside promenade adds to the charm, with stunning views of Lake Garda. 5. Accessibility. Desenzano del Garda is well connected by public transport. It's accessible by train, with the Desenzano del Garda Sirmione railway station being nearby. There are also several parking options if you're driving. 6. Tips for visitors. Arrive early to enjoy the best selection and avoid the largest crowds. It's a good idea to arrive early. Bring cash. While some vendors may accept cards, cash is still the preferred payment method at many stalls. Bargain. Polite haggling is often expected and can be part of the fun, especially for non-food items. Local delicacies. Don't miss out on trying local foods and delicacies. Many vendors offer samples to taste before you buy. 7. Tourist information. The market is a great place to mingle with locals and get a feel for the community. It's also a good spot to pick up some souvenirs or gifts to take home. Overall, the Desenzano del Garda weekly street market is a must-visit for anyone in the area on a Tuesday. It provides a rich sensory experience and a glimpse into the local lifestyle. If this video made your day, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for the next vlog adventure. So let's go and visit full market and enjoy the rainy walk. Enjoy full video. Thanks.
أجنبي الرايد Hier, Wolfskraft. बोल दो मेरे
Lei sai cos'è? È la festa della volpe, si chiama.
Ci vediamo Paola, buona giornata.
Saranno pesce.